Ooh, oh boy. Good morning. I didn't see you there. I didn't think you'd be up right now. I thought we were gonna do an episode a little later. Well, how about we just? Oh, God. Oh, you want me to do a breakfast episode? Okay. This is thought out. Hang on, let me get into something a little more appropriate. That's better. So Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwich, huh? You don't want me to do one of their more popular breakfast bowls or anything like that? No? Sandwich? Okay, let's try it. Ow, hot. This is a very cute sandwich, I have to admit, but it feels very rubbery. In fact, there's just straight up a dent in mine, which is a little funny. It's just not the texture that you really want an English muffin to be, but then again, I understand because it did come from the microwave, so I'll give it a little bit of slack. Oh my God. That bottom half of the muffin was so goddamn hard to chew off. Oh my God. Oh, did you see that? Taste-wise, I mean, if you're in a hurry and you just want a little breakfast sandwich, I mean, I guess it's all right, but come on, I mean, with pucks that are this thin, I mean, you can do better than this. All right, let's thaw this out. First up, our sausage. No, I am not using Jimmy Dean sausage. What, you think I'm just gonna give them that credit? To shape the sausage and make everything a little bit more consistent, I am using these ring molds that I found online. I know it makes these sandwiches technically more expensive, but hey, if you make these again, they're free. Free? And for our egg pucks, you really only need like 2 eggs for this. Trust me, it makes plenty. So just scramble those up, but keep them in their vessel. Look at how plain these sandwich eggs are. We can do better than that, right? Right? So we're gonna add a thing or two. First, I'm going to take a red bell pepper, cut it into bits, and okay, you all know I love to food process, so I'm bringing it around again. We're gonna food process that red bell pepper into tiny little bits like this and throw that in with our eggs. And finally, throw in some shredded cheddar cheese as well. And I'm going to use the ring molds again so that my eggs are the exact same size and perfectly circular. In your skillet, place down a tablespoon of butter and set to medium heat and let it melt. Then take your rings, pour in your egg mixture, but don't fill the ring up. Make it very shallow so it's able to actually cook through all the way. Once you think the bottom is properly solid, give it a good old flip and let it... Oh God. Oh no, what is going on? Oh, this is going horribly wrong. Oh my God. Once you think the bottom is properly solid, give it a good old flip and let it cook the rest of the way. Ah, nice, even circles. Look at the little baby pucks, aren't they so cute? I'm gonna slap a square of cheddar cheese on it, and you know what? I'm gonna make a second one to stack on top of it so it is equal to the sausage. Now let's talk bread. Personally, I am not confident enough in my baking ability to recreate an English muffin or a biscuit or whatever the hell you want to use and have it come out better than what you're gonna get here, so I'll be back with a vengeance another time, you just wait, but for now, I will be using buttermilk Thomas English muffins. Just be sure to, at the very least, toast the inside ends with butter. Now, I shouldn't have to tell you how to assemble a breakfast sandwich, but here we go anyway. First, lay down the bottom bun of whatever carb you decided to go with, in my case, English muffins. Lay on your sausage puck, followed by a delicious puck of cheesy, peppery eggs, followed by another cheesy peppery egg, and then finally top it off with the other half of your carb of choice. Oh my god, I did not expect it to be this dummy thick, but oh my god. I'm gonna have to take a huge anaconda bite out of this bad boy. Man, I'm just admiring how much physical color is on mine. Look at the pretty reds of the bell pepper mixed in with the egg. Doesn't that just look like flavor? And the big juicy sausage, oh my god. The first thing I notice, how much juicier this is compared to the Jimmy Dean. And the flavors that come from the bell pepper and the medium spiced sausage helps it a lot. And man, this bun is actually a lot more flat and tiny than I thought it was going to be. I think I made my meat a little too dummy thick. If you really wanted to, you can also use a different carb for your sandwich because Jimmy Dean makes all kinds of different breakfast sandwiches. You can even make that weird egg sandwich thing where the egg is the bread. Don't ask me to do that one. And to show you just how worth it is, this is the price that I paid for my sandwich per sandwich, and this is the price that I paid for the Jimmy Dean, also per sandwich. Mine came in a 4-pack, so you know what, just to be fair, here's the price for when it comes in an 8-pack as well. Well, thank you everybody for joining me this morning for this episode of Thawed Out. If you enjoyed this and you're inspired to make this delicious, thick breakfast sandwich yourself, subscribe and leave a like for more Thawed Out. Whew. All right, it's Saturday. I'm going to bed again.